Hey nail art lovers, welcome back to Molalo Nails. I'm so excited to share today's vibrant and dynamic nail tutorial with you. I'm creating a stunning look using a rainbow of colors and some fun 3D gel techniques. Today I'll be recreating this look. You will need a few key items. First, we'll be using Miss Moore, Hey Girl, gel colors in these gorgeous shades. Green, blue, orange, and yellow. Oops, I forgot to show you the silver gel color in this video, but I am definitely using it. These colors are highly pigmented and perfect for creating bold designs. I'm so excited. Let's get started. I'll be using just a few fine line brushes to create detail work. For a raised effect, I'll be using 3D gel, and I'll be adding teardrops, like those nice pearl drops. I'll be doing that, so we'll be needing a 3D gel. Mine was from Bling Girl. I'll be using also a booming gel from Bling Girl to create an aura effect on one of the nails, especially this yellow one. I'll be using an aura effect, an orange one. I'll also be using a MAC top coat. It's my favorite at the moment. I'm indicating 2, showing you that I'm about to do the second coat. All you need is 2 coats for this gel polish. It's perfect. It's highly pigmented, as you can see. I hope you like it because I love it. Mind blowing. The second coat on the blue as well. Perfect. But you can get away with 1 coat on most colors, but I chose to do 2. And please don't forget, you'll also need a UV lamp to cure your nails. You'll also need gloves to protect your skin. You can choose any shape you want to do. You can do coffin, square, but I chose stiletto in this video. So please stay tuned in to see how I create this amazing look. I won't be talking further in the video, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy the process. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me, and I am so appreciative to each and every one of you for watching. Let's jump right into it. The tutorial is by me, Molalo Nails, honey. Molalo Nails, baby. Thank you. Please like, subscribe. I love you all. Thank you for the support.